Hello everyone, this is Bondan JHR Smart Tech Co aluminum alloy seam is customized in multiple white colors and you can have top ink and model. They are very heavy duty and the model is also support customized in 110 rotation suitable for your local power.
This sleek double opening gate is crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, offering strong resistance to rust, corrosion, and harsh weather conditions. The clean white finish adds a touch of sophistication, making it ideal for both residential and commercial properties. Precision engineered for smooth opening and closing, with secure locking and low-maintenance performance. Whether you are enhancing your curb appeal or securing your property, this gate is built to impress. Discover the beauty of aluminum, built to last, made to stand out.
Thank you so much for your watching.